Hello everyone, in this simple video I will show you how to add page numbers in Google Docs. So open up docs.google.com. Now open the document in which you want to insert the page numbers. So I'm going to open up a document from my university, Amity. Okay, so there are only two pages inside this one. Okay, if I'll take my mouse here, then you can see one of two. Okay, so how will you insert the page numbers? You need to go to the menu and click on insert here. Then at the bottom of the screen, here you can see page numbers. Now you can directly select here. Now you can see for the header there are two kinds, 1 2. You can see select this option, this one. Then for the footer you can select this one. Okay, you can also leave out the page number 1. Okay, suppose I want to select it right from page number 1, then I will select this one and the page number will go in the footer. Okay, so I will click here and you can see, yeah, there are some other options here. You can also click here and choose whatever. Okay, now if I click here, you can see page number 1 is here and page number 2 is right here. Okay, so this is how you can insert page numbers. You can also look out for other options in page numbers. Click on page count or click on more options. You will see the position and how to do it. So please experiment with it, and this is how you can insert page numbers. So thank you for watching the video. Please like it and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.